Dear learners, welcome to the online class organized by Chattogram Engineering University School and College. I am Uttam Kumar Shil, Senior Assistant English Teacher of this institution. Today, I will discuss transformation of sentences from assertive to interrogative. Dear learners, in the last class, I discussed two important rules of changing assertive sentence into interrogative. And today, I will discuss also two important rules, and it is noted that rule number 3 has already been written on the board. Now I will discuss what this rule indicates. If the subject of the assertive sentence is everybody or everyone or all, we must use the following structure to make it interrogative sentence. Now, we can see what the structure is. The structure is, at first you have to write who plus don't or doesn't or didn't plus verb base plus others. এখানে আমাদেরকে প্রথম ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স শুরু করতে হবে হু দিয়ে, and then don't, doesn't or didn't লিখতে হবে according to tense of the verb in the sentence. তো আমরা একটু জেনে নিই, যদি প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট অর সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স হয় বাক্যটি, তাহলে আমরা ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে ডোন্ট অর ডাজন্ট ইউজ করব। আর যদি সিম্পল ফার্স্টে হয় অর ফার্স্ট ইনডেফিনিটে বাক্যটা থাকে, তাহলে আমরা ডিডন্ট ব্যবহার করব। আমি গত ক্লাসেও বলেছিলাম, if as or yes is added with the verb, we have to use does. Otherwise, do must be used. অর্থাৎ যদি ভার্বের শেষে as by এ যুক্ত থাকে, তাহলে আমরা does ইউজ করব, আর যদি as by এ যুক্ত না থাকে তাহলে আমরা do ইউজ করব। Now I can give two example so that you can understand this rule very clearly. Number 1, everybody respects an honest man. Number 2, all loved him. Now I will transform these two sentences into interrogative. Number 1. Who doesn't respect an honest man? Number 2, all loved him. The interrogative sentence of this assertive is who didn't love him. Dear students, in the first sentence we can see at first I have used who, then according to the tense of the verb of the sentence doesn't, after that the base form of verb respect and others and honest man. In this way the second sentence is at first I have used who, then according to the tense of this sentence didn't, and then base form of verb love and object or others him. Here we can see that according to these rule I have changed these two sentences into interrogative, and using or following these structure we have to transform the sentences from assertive to interrogative. My dear learners, now I will discuss another important rule. Rule 4. If the subject of the assertive sentence is nobody, none, or no one, following structure must be used to make it interrogative sentence. Structure who plus verb plus others. Dear learners, please listen to me. If the subject of the assertive sentence is nobody, none, or no one, the following structure must be used to make it interrogative. That means we have to use at first who, then verb, and after that others, or the portion after verb given in the assertive sentence. তাহলে এক্ষেত্রে আমাদেরকে কি করতে হবে, যদি nobody, none or no one দিয়ে বাক্য শুরু হয় বা এটা সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে থাকে অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে, তাহলে আমরা প্রথমে ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স করার সময় হু লিখব, অতঃপর যে ভার্বটি দেওয়া আছে সেটা প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সই হোক আর ফার্স্ট টেন্সই হোক, ভার্বটি লিখতে হবে এবং এরপরে ভার্বের পরের অংশটা অর্থাৎ ভার্বের পরের ওয়ার্ড থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত অংশটা লিখে অতঃপর বাক্যের শেষে প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন দিতে হবে। And in this way we can transform the assertive sentence into interrogative. Here I can write two examples from this rule. Number one, nobody believes a liar. Number two, none can do these. Dear learners, in these two sentences we can see that the subject of first one is nobody and the second one is none. So we have to change these two sentences into interrogative using or following these structure. So the answer of the first sentence is who believes a liar. Number two, can do these. In this way, you can transform the assertive sentences into interrogative sentence if the assertive sentence begins with nobody, none, or no one. Dear learners, you have to practice this rule at home very attentively, and then you will be able to change or transform the sentences into interrogative correctly. Now I will give some homework. Practice some sentences. Regarding these rules from your grammar book. Thank you very much.